Shakey's V-League on NBN, Tuesday, 2 p.m. It's going to be Ateneo versus Lyceum. Gandang game niya.
Oo. Very
Exciting
interesting.
game to watch. Dolar on the serve. Jen Reyes is there. And Din Santiago, ito na yung sinabi ni Coach Francis Vicente. Watch out for Din.
But of course, you know, you have to give credit to that play dito kay Jen Reyes. It was a good
Started.
pass. Na hindi na gumalaw yung setter nila. It's exactly where she was.
Well, with the situation of NU, that's what you want. You want to have the perfect first ball to give to Salibad, to Cookie Salibad.
You wanna help her, no? Hirap
Yeah.
yung hahabol pa siya ng hahabol ng bola. Especially because she is just a converted setter.
Orinda in once again finding that open area.
Orindain, I remember, of course, she was part of the lineup of USLS, but bata pa siya noon. She
High
was
school.
Oo.
Imagine she was a guest player for USLS while she was still in high school.
The only guest player actually who was in high school na talagang binababad na sa loob ng court.
And we all know why. We've seen her grow up and mature in the sporting world in the game of volleyball as we see Coach Roger Banzuela. Again, congratulations to you. Kylie Pomaceno way up there for that hit as a violation called against USLS gives the point to the Lady Bulldogs. 17-15. USLS up by 2.
So far, we haven't seen a big lead from either of the teams, and this just goes to show that both are actually trying to keep it as close as possible.
Lady Bulldogs slow on defense on that last play. Jade Hare to serve. Oh, another error on the serve, Anne.
Something that, of course, our coaches don't like. It's an automatic giveaway to the opponent. Yung ibang coaches nga, what they say pa, it's better that you send it out than you send it straight into the net. Kasi pag outside, pwedeng ma-misjudge siya ng kalaban eh.
That's right.
But of course, they don't want either of the two outside at net. Ang gusto
Given
nila
a
magandang
choice.
serve, oo.
Jen Reyes. Vivas. Partially blocked. Aplaska. Saved by Orindain. Jen Reyes once again. Tiangco.
Reyes was actually there at the back.
That deserves a second look, and
Look at this. Ang daming tao actually. There were a lot of people there for NU. Pero ang bilis nung pagbalik ng bola.
defensive blocking. Well, Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Yan ang tagal na natin kasama yan eh, no? Ilan na Axel shirts mo?
Ang dami na.
Ang
Of course.
dami na.
Year after year.
Kaya Plaska. Vivas. Oh, great angle. But Delondino is there. Oh, this time, an error on the attack from the open hit. Moralde, that was Cha Moralde. Yanko serving. Oh, Dolo!
It was a good thing Yanko was quick in reacting. Otherwise, mahirap yun. It would have hit her.
Reacting meaning covering her face.
Covering her face? Look at that.
Oh, that was a perfect quick hit coming from Dolar. Generous giving it to Vivas, Aplaska. Orinda in, going down the line using the blockers, taking that point. Pati Orindain has really matured to be one of the best players I've seen coming from the South.
And what's nice about it, it's not just the skill, it's also yung talent and yung talino sa paglalaro because
Yun,
may diskarte.
It's really the court sense that amazes us, even at a young age. Again, Orindain on the attack.
Just finding those open areas on the other side.
That alarmed Coach Francis Vicente as he calls this timeout. Let's try to listen in.
Regalo na ari daw sa ulo mo. Santa ari na diyang ulo. Tanan na tao ari diyo. Kako, bira to wala tao. Ito. Kiling paglumbat lang tayo.
Hindi, sa kabila.
Tendency basta overball tendency ng player ma-support. So wala na tao. Oh, 1, 2, good. Yung kaya pag ikaw na. Eh, kontan-kontan.
So that was actually Coach Roger Banzuela of USLS. And we see this last play. Look at this Patty Orindain on the open hit. Ganda, no? Because she makes it look easy because she looks for the open areas. Hindi pinipilit through the blockers.
And that's why she actually earns points.
Medyo madami ng service errors coming from USLS just in this first set.
And you know, if you count that, they would have probably already won this set kung
That's
hindi nila
right.
na-commit yung errors
Easily
na yun.
3 points na yun.
Oh, poor reception there by Morade, but saved.
And Janko Saliba to Santiago. That was a looper. They give it again to Orindain.
Oh,
Poor
look at-
first ball, but Kaidip. Oh! Almost the save by Kaidip Pomaceno. Sante throwing it away. Sayang. Almost a
Sayang.
save ball.
Si Sante nabigla rin siguro. She wasn't expecting that Nepomuceno would
get to the ball.
would get the ball.
Love Himpit. Getting an ace. And what a time for it to come. We are at set point. As Coach Francis Vicente calls another timeout. Let's try to listen in to Francis this time.
Short ball. Sino yung nandun sa likod? Tulungan nyo, mag-receive. Hindi tayo pwede magkanya-kanya. Intindihan. Receive lang ang key point dyan. Pag wala tayong receive, hindi makakapalo si Dingdin. Taas mo ng konti yung set. Jump setin mo, frontliner ka. Wala namang violation Di ba? Oh, jump set. Yan yun. Hindi pa tapos yan.
And you see that Coach Francis is really trying to guide Saliba, who's still very new to her position.
Yes.
Also, yung mga ganyang reminders every now and then would really help her build her confidence as she takes on her new role.
The big shoes to fill.
Very big shoes to fill. Siyempre, hirap niya, no? All throughout the past seasons or past leagues that they've played, it was Soliven. And now, kailangan double time, no? She really has to step up. And that last play was excellent.
From that time out, I bet you she's a good listener. Perfect execution of a quick hit. Kasi, of course, you have Dindin Santiago 6'2". So, yung quick niya, medyo mataas talaga.
At saka yung timing, very important.
Yes, not your normal height on a quick hit. Hingpit, giving it to Hair. Still playable. Jen Reyes, spiking.
Oh.
And Dolar getting that point. The last point for this first set. And it was a team effort for USLS, although they had a lot of errors, especially on the service line, as we see our shaky shake and play of this first set.
You see, these girls really made an effort to ensure that, they'll have good defense on the floor.
That's right. It's 25-19 for the USLS, and we'll be back for more volleyball action.